Hello everybody, today I'm going to share with you these GE 100 watt replacement LED bright stick bulbs. These of course are only 16 watts but replace a 100 watt incandescent bulb. Now I picked these up at Sam's Club, and I haven't seen these in stores yet other than Sam's Club, so I decided to pick these up. I believe I have previously reviewed the 60 watt replacements of these in both the soft white and daylight versions. So here we're going to look at the 100 watt replacement in soft white, since that's the only color temperature that they had there. There's some information on the side, down here, and in the bottom. Of course, just like everything at Sam's Club, the packaging is huge for no reason. We have more information on the back and on the bottom. If you'd like to read any of that, you can just pause the video. So that's pretty much all we have for information on these bulbs. So let's go ahead and open them up. I don't really know of a better way of doing it, so I just cut all this plastic off. There's one and two. So we'll set that big package aside, and we'll take a look at one of these. First off, it's really light. I should have noticed that with the packaging, but very light, just like the smaller bright sticks. You see just basic information: GE LED, the lumens it outputs, 16 watts, with information on the back here as well. You got the base, and there's that itself. I do have sitting over here a regular 100 watt incandescent bulb. This one is not frosted. As you can tell, it's just a regular clear one. Wow, that one's pretty messed up. Let me get another one. That one is like bent from manufacturing because it's so cheap. Here is another one that isn't so messed up. So we can compare right off the bat how much bigger it is compared to a standard 100 watt incandescent bulb. This one is a little bit shorter than a regular 100 watt. I believe it's a short neck A19 shaped bulb, but a regular one would be about that high, so there's not too much of a difference here. This is definitely going to be taller than a regular 100 watt incandescent bulb, or 60 watt because they're all A19 shape. You can definitely tell that it is smaller in diameter than a regular A19 incandescent bulb. So overall, really interesting. I do not have my splitter or anything here that I usually have. I left all that at college, unfortunately. So we just have this regular socket. Fun. Let's start off with just a regular 100 watt bulb, so we can have something to base it off of. Turn off our main lights here, and here we go. So here we just have a generic 100 watt incandescent bulb. We'll hold it above here. Let me just get the packaging over here again so that we have something to look at. This extension cord is just terrible. It keeps sliding off. But you can see it with the shadows there and everything. How the 100 watt bulb, regular incandescent, works with this situation here. So let's go ahead and switch it out for the GE Bright Stick. I have not had any 100 watt LED bulbs yet, so these are my first ones. Here we go. Yeah, that is bright. Definitely. Wow, it actually kind of hurts to look at. So I'll hold it over here. Again, this is more of a soft white than a regular clear bulb, so the shadows won't be as harsh as a standard clear incandescent. We can still get the same type of idea here. Lighting stuff up. Definitely would equal a 100 watt bulb. It is really bright. I don't think you'll be able to see the LEDs down in there, but they're down in there. Yeah, it does the job. Nice soft white color. Definitely would replace a 100 watt incandescent very nicely without you really knowing that it was different if there was a, lampshade over it or something. So, definitely, like I said, a lot softer than just a regular clear 100 watt incandescent. But I don't really have any frosted ones at my disposal right now. So very cool. Let's turn it off. See a little bit of a glow down there. And it's instant on, which is very nice, of course. So anyway, let's go ahead and turn on our main lights again. And there's not really much else to say about these things. They definitely equal a 100 watt bulb. And very nice soft white. So, yeah, they work quite well. It'd be interesting to see. This is kind of warm, but not too hot right now. And it wasn't really on too long, but I've heard that sometimes these things get quite hot because of their design, but I don't know. We'll find out. Anyway, I really hope you enjoyed this video of these GE 100 watt replacement LED bright sticks. Also, please comment, rate, and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.